Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin wa bihi nasta'in ala umuri dunya waddin wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrofil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajmain amma ba'du. Okay. In this time I want to talk about dynamic routing protocol. Dynamic routing protocol is two very important ones in networking are HRV and ISPF. Both are used to automatically exchange routes between routers inside an autonomous system, but they have different design metrics and use case. EGRV or Exchange Interior Gateway Routing Protocol. I want to tell you about the type and the background first. Developed by Cisco Property but later made partially often considered an advanced distance vector or hybrid protocol use the dual or diffusing update algorithm to ensure loop-free and fast convergence. And the next is operation. Routers running HRV form neckbone relationship using hello packet. Once neckbone are established, they share routing table and only send partial updates when there are changes. Making it efficient. And the next is metric. HRV use a composite matrix that include bandwidth, delay, sorry, delay and reliability, load, and MTO are not used in metric calculation but considered in path selection, and default metric calculation bandwidth add delay. And the next is filters, support PLSM and CDR classes, and support unequal cost or load balancing via variance command, very fast convergence dual algorithm. And the next is example use case, often used in Cisco only environments where speed, flexibility, and easy of use are needed. And next we talk about OSPF or open source but first the TIFO. The TIFO. OSPF. The TIFO and background. Standardized open protocol, not property, belongs to the line state family of routing protocols designed for large complex network. The operation router will neckbone agencies and extend LSA or LSA link state advertisement. Each router builds a link state database or LSDB which represents the full network's topology. Then router runs the shortest path first or SPF algorithm based on the Dijkstra algorithm to calculate the best path or the best route. The matrix. ISPF use a single metric or single cost which is based on bandwidth or bandwidth cost is 100 Mbps per interface bandwidth by default. The features organizes networks into area. Backbone area 0 is mandatory, and the other area connect to area 0 through an ABR. or area border router, support summarization, authentication, and route filtering. Scalable and commonly used in enterprise or ES, ESP networks. Example use case: used in multi-vendor environments of large scale enterprise or ASPF network where scalability and open standard are critical. Uh, ASPF versus AGRP. The future. The future. AGRP, the type is hybrid or distant vector plus LS, but ASPF just links it. And the vendor AGRP is Cisco or Mountsley, and OSPF is open standard all vendors. And AGRP just can do in Cisco in MikroTik cannot, but OSPF can do in MikroTik and Cisco because open standard all vendors. Uh, AGRP algorithm is dual and OSPF algorithm is SPF or Dijkstra, and the metric is AGRP bandwidth reliability, but OSPF just cost or bandwidth based, and conver- convergence is AGRP is very fast, but OSPF is fast but depends on LSDB. Scalability AGRP is good but Cisco focused, and OSPF is very high to enterprise and ESP, and AGRP can load balancing ya use unequal cost supported, but OSPF equal cost only, and AGRP area is flat, no strict hierarchy, but OSPF hierarchical with area. Okay, and the conclusion is AGRP is simple and fast and powerful, but mainly useful in Cisco heavy environments, and OSPF is vendor neutral, highly scalable, and widely adopted in large networks and in real world design choice depends on the network environment. If Cisco only, AGRP can be a great choice, but if multi-vendor or large scale is SPF is usually prepared. Okay, and the meaning SPF is so good if you use in multi-vendor like routing between Cisco or MikroTik. And 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 AGRP just used in Cisco. Okay, I want to tell you again about AGRP on MikroTik and OSPF on MikroTik. AGRP on MikroTik not available natively because AGRP is a Cisco property protocol, so MikroTik does not support AGRP in routers iOS. If you need route exchange between MikroTik Cisco device, the solution is usually to use redistribution with protocol that both support like OSPF, BGP, or static routes. OSPF on MikroTik fully supported in routers iOS. MikroTik implements all the main OSPF features: create areas, backbone area 0, other area, and other. Authentication is simple, and MD5 and LSA exchange and SVF calculation works with IPv4 and IPv6 using ISVF v3 for IPv6. So, in short, MikroTik support OSPF but not AGRP. To integrate with Cisco AGRP networks, you normally use OSPF or BGP as the bridge. I think that's all from me. sorry if I have some mistake when I telling the AJRP and telling about AJRP and ISWAPs. And the last I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.